Okay, I have purchased a 3D printed windscreen scuttle drain hole bung. I've added a little bit of tape on there. It was a bit of a loose fit, not massively loose, just a little bit, so a single wrap of electrical tape is enough just to get that fitting a little bit more snugly. I've also purchased a 3D blanking plate for the 3D printed blanking plate for the hole left behind after removing the FM aerial from the scuttle panel. I did also purchase these to be fitted at a later date. These require the wing to be taken off so the nuts can be added underneath, and they may be a bit too long to add while the wings are in place, but those are for a later date. I want to get something done today, so we're going to fit this 3D printed drain hole bung. Okay. It's a nice snug fit, and you can see the FM aerial hole that's been left behind. That's been filled. We've got one over on the other side here, and those are going to stop any leaves or detritus getting down into the inner wing. And as I said, at a later date I may fit these, I may not, but those are for a later date. I actually received 2 of these and I've already fitted that one, so there's a spare there. I'll leave a link in the description to the eBay store for the seller that I've purchased the 3D printed items from. They're extremely good quality. It's an ABS plastic, very smooth, high quality print, much better than some of the things I've received from other sellers in the past. Okay, thanks for watching.